Hello everyone, thanks for joining me. I'm Rick with UCI. In my previous video, I demonstrated the steps for attaching SUNDOG RFID tags to rough wood assets using our pneumatic and manual tools. Now in this video, I'm going to show you the basic steps for scanning the tags and inputting key characteristics of your asset into the scanner so that information will be tied to the unique ID number of the tag. Now we don't want you to miss out on any of our valuable tutorials, so be sure to push the like and subscribe buttons you see. All right, let's get scanning. The SUNDOG RFID system is the fastest and best performing RFID tag system to help you manage your inventory of rough wood assets. Now I'm going to scan the tags that I just attached and enter the key characteristics of each asset into the scanner. As with any RFID system, to read SUNDOG tags, you need software and RFID scanners. And we don't sell scanners or software, but they are an integral part of the solution. I'm using a Zebra handheld scanner for demonstration purposes, but there are a variety of scanners on the market, including fixed readers that will scan SUNDOG tags and allow you to record the unique characteristics of your assets. And while there are also many software options available for scanners, I'm using Tracer Plus software by Portable Technology Solutions on this scanner. Tracer Plus is completely customizable by the user without complex programming. And this allows users to develop an enterprise application if needed, which can be tailored to meet a user's specific needs. I've included a link to the Tracer Plus site in the description, so let's get started. I'm currently standing 3 feet away from a log end that's been tagged with a SUNDOG tag. I'm going to scan it first from this distance, then I'm going to scan a log end that's 30 feet away. One of the great benefits you receive with SUNDOG RFID is that you have a greater read range than other tags. To get the maximum read range, make sure that the legs of your antenna are positioned in a 90-degree angle between them. The greatest read range achieved is when the endpoints of that antenna are pointing straight towards the scanner like this. You can also achieve a slightly reduced read range if the antennas are angled up at a perpendicular range or angle towards the scanner like this. But if your scanner is directed towards the side of the antenna legs, you'll experience a greater reduction in your read range. So you want to try to keep them pointing at the scanner if possible. Finally, having a cell phone on you while you're scanning could also reduce the maximum read range you can get. All right, I'm standing at 3 feet. I'll scan it here and then I'll scoot on back to 30 feet and scan it again from there. All right, got a good read. Got another good read. Now that we've scanned our tag, let's enter information about the asset so that it's assigned to the tag's unique ID number. Now for our demonstration, we'll keep it simple, record the location and date of where the log was harvested, as well as the wood species. I'm entering in the information for just a single tag, but if there are many assets with identical data, then you can scan multiple tags at one time, enter that information for all those assets in a single batch, which will make this whole process even more efficient. I'm now going to enter in some information about the log, which will tie it to the unique ID on the SUNDOG tag that's attached. You see the tag we scanned at the top of the screen. We've set this up so the date is auto-populated. And we've built in a drop-down for entering in locations. Tracer Plus has many templates, which makes it simple to customize fields that can either be set up as drop-downs, or as we see here, with an open field where you can type in data, as I've done for the wood species. Now, I'm going to save this data by hitting done. Confirm. Yep. And this information is now saved on our handheld scanner and tied to that tag. Tracer Plus Mobile is loaded on the handheld, and Tracer Plus Desktop is on the PC, allowing them to work together. They're connected via Wi-Fi, but Bluetooth or a wired connection are also options. And we can do this for as many tags as necessary before syncing. But for this demonstration, we'll send this information to our database, which is a simple Excel spreadsheet on our laptop. I will hit the sync data. And it's done. Now we'll move over to our PC. Tracer Plus Desktop will take the data it receives and populate this into our spreadsheet as we have instructed it to do so. SUNDOG RFID tags can be quickly and securely attached. They're readable from distances of over 60 feet in ideal situations with an unusually wide read angle. And they can withstand the rough environments of timber transport and processing. So you can already see how easy and functional the SUNDOG tagging system is compared to barcoding and other RFID tagging systems on the market. So in this video, we've scanned our tags, recorded key characteristics of each asset into the scanner. The last step is to import the data from the scanner into our inventory platform. In my next video, how to import inventory data from your RFID scanner, I'll walk you through those steps. If you still have a question that I've not answered, please type it in the comments and I'll be sure to address it. If you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to reach out to us by phone or email as well. We'd love to speak with you. Thanks for watching.